Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing Ajio ki top dresses, all of them under rupees 300. Yes, you heard it right, under rupees 300 are most beloved Ajio's dresses. If you are interested in this video, please ensure that you watch it till the end. All the details, everything, as you know, everything will be there in the description box. And before we get started, please ensure if you haven't subscribed my channel, you do so. Also hit on the notification button so that you never miss any such videos. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this video we are going to look at those dresses and see if they are worth the buck, which is very affordable, but still, I mean, we will see if they are worth that money as well or not. We will be talking about the sizes, the cloth, if the dress, how it looks. Obviously you'll be able to see how it looks, the fitting and everything, so that you can make up your mind if you really want something and if Ajio's dresses are worth the money. So all of the dresses are from Ajio's own brand, which is called Ajio. So this is the first dress that I got. This is in a very beautiful blue and white print colored dress. Basically this is a tie-up dress. It's kind of a halter dress that goes back, and it has a surprise neck, like a proper V-neck, a wrap-up neck, whatever you may want to call it. And then these are basically the tie-ups that go at the side of it. So yeah, this is a very beautiful dress. The thing that I love about Ajio is that the cloth quality is absolutely amazing in most of their stuff, and I haven't been disappointed ever. So yeah, this is the first dress in the size XL. If I think that some of these dresses are like really big on me, then I will definitely be returning and exchanging them. And as you know, the Ajio's return and exchange policy is extremely simple. You just have to go select that you want to return or exchange. The person will come, pick up your dress, return or exchange it, and you can just get what you want. Moving on to the next one. So this is how it is. This is kind of a carrot color, if I may call it, and this is again a V-neck, and there is a very beautiful kind of a button that's here, and it has a cinched waist like this one, as you can see, and it has full sleeves, and again cinched from here, so it gives a very dramatic kind of a look overall to this dress. The cloth of this is kind of that hosiery material, very soft, beautiful, love it. Best for your summer seasons, autumn season, so you can wear it in any season. It's absolutely nice. It has a very good weight to it. I mean, specifically because of this cinching, it has a very good weight, and you can feel it in your hands, and it looks amazing quality, and it's absolutely unimaginable that you get something like this within 300 rupees. The next dress that I got is this one. This is how it looks. So this is in a grey, white, a very different kind of a pattern. As you can see, on the waist again there is this pattern that has been given. The neck is a V-neck, and it has short sleeves. So yeah, normal sleeves, nothing specific there, and it goes down like this. It's a very A-line kind of a dress. I like A-line for my body shape. A-line dresses look better. So yeah, I mean, this is how it looks. Again, the material is kind of a hosiery material. Again, this is in the size XL. The next one that I got is this one. This is in a red, like proper red color. I didn't have any dress in a proper red color, that's why I wanted to go ahead and try this one. I got this again in the size XL. This is again like the surprise neck, like front say it's open. Now on this kind of a dress, what you will have to do is probably you will have to pin it up. Like from inside you can do a touch button, or you can pin it up, or you can wear a slip inside, as as whatever you feel comfortable. And again, this is a A-line dress, काफी अच्छा A-line है नीचे इसमें. It gives a very nice frock kind of a feel to it. And again, waist पे there is this belt kind of the thing that has been given, so that it gives a good structure to this dress. So this is how it looks. And then it has like shorter sleeves that would probably just come above your elbow. So yeah, this is how it looks. This cloth is not cotton, may not be very summer appropriate. Like अगर आप बाहर धूप में जा रहे हैं, then you will not be able to probably wear it. It will not absorb sweat. But if you could definitely use this as a party dress. The last one that I got is this one. So this is such a beautiful dress. It looks so amazing. It looks such a high-end party dress. And actually this one is a little above 300. I think this is about 400 rupees, 398. That's what it is. But yeah, I mean, I still wanted to go ahead and include it in the same haul because it's not that much of a price difference. 98 rupees ka difference hai. But this is like, you cannot believe that you can get such dress like in 48. So this is a velvet kind of a dress, and the sleeves are like little kind of a cap sleeves, a little flared. And then on the front again, I have been something about these necks. I have been really liking them. A lot of my other haul that I did on the tops, and then these dresses have it. But yeah, it's it goes a little below your knee depending upon your height. So yeah, I think I really love it. This is absolutely worth your money. This looks absolutely amazing. You can definitely check it out. If you're going for a party, just throw it, have a nice bag, and that's it. You're done for the party. It's so nice. I love it. Again, it has a very heavy weight. In fact, you can wear this in like before winters, when the winters are about to start. You can really wear it at that time. If it is too hot, again, you can't wear it outside because it's not cotton, it's velvet, so it's going to warm you up. So but then if it is autumn season or probably in an AC environment, then you can definitely wear it. It looks absolutely stunning. The color is absolutely to die for. I love this one. So guys, that were all the dresses that I got. I hope that you liked the video, and I hope you got some ideas of if you're looking for dresses, where you can buy it. And definitely these dresses are worth your money. You can definitely go and check it out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button, and we will meet very soon. I'm doing so much of this, but we will meet very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.